Welcome! I'm finally here and Curtis was here. My idol. Oh my G. Hola guys, look who's here. Mirrorized sharp.
Ito talaga na ko ano?
Dili dito mao. Nakihit siya dito ani nga.
Ano ulit?
Elevator. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly show you what I'm wearing. So, I'm wearing a maxi dress from Zara. It's a halter type with a floral print, and it's got a ribbon again, and my shoes from Zara, and yeah, that's it. This steamboat, 100-year-old, 108-year-old boat. It's gonna bring us to the Walter Peak, which is 45 minutes cruise. Chocolate cake. Yeah. And what's that?
Cider, apple cider.
Apple cider. My bread. Okay, we ordered some bangil for the tummy. This cruise will take like maybe 45 minutes to get to Walter Peak. Walter Peak is where Aunt Curtis had her wedding reception. So yeah, we will get to see the beauty of it. We have, this is kumara and banana bread, and my cousin, she's got her chocolate mousse cake, and I've ordered my iced coffee selection. Baby got me my iced coffee, caramel latte, and this one is hers. Not white, of course.
Thanks for the chocolate as well. Cheers.
Thanks for the tour pass. Cheers.
One of the prettiest views.
In the mountains. cruising through the lake. Here at Walter Peak, so as you can see, that's the house or the restaurant that Anor. Do you want to try? Guys
are done, just feel free to pop your bottles on the floor. I'll wash that later on.
Finish.
Bit more of an angle. No, other way.
Higher.
Higher. Really, it's quite important that they don't drink in here because then.
Oh my gosh.
You gotta put your hand in there.
So yeah, these are our Scottish Highland cattle. We've got Dougal right here. He's about 9 people are keen on this start because it's a bit rough.
Are you? Go.
And feel free to feed Isla as well, guys. The reason why she's a bit wary is because these two unfortunately pick on her. She's the smallest, she's the youngest. It's quite an interesting part. It's a very rare trait, but they're notoriously known for it. Someone is here.
Here. Hey. There. Aww. Sayang, you're so messy.
There's a story in the Bible about it. I don't know it, sorry.
There's a lot of
I don't
movies
know if
for
it's
it.
true, someone just told me that, so I just mention it. Good handful, I like it.
Donkey.
Good handful, I like it.
Is it? The donkey.
And these two being miniature.
Guys, it's included in the package. Oh, yum. Sige, maski na sila. Bitas kita. Dua silang tenda. Just finished watching the demonstration of how to train the dog. How to train the dog
keep the sheep.
asking, huh? How to ship a dog?
How to bring the ship down. And then we are going to that restaurant over there. Uy, hold on.
That's where
And wala lang po din kang